Phone calls, paperwork, whiteboard being changed, drivers waiting for instruction, and that is exhausting. Yeah, but the problems don't stop there.
Where the hell is that truck?
Oh, and then there are the angry customers chasing their delivery. And while all this is happening, your business is quietly paying the price. Wasted time, exhausted teams, higher cost, and customers losing trust. But it doesn't need to be this hard. What if everything was finally in place? Your team know what's happening. Drivers know where to go. Updates are clear. Proof of delivery is completed. Happy customer receives the order. This is what delivery management should feel like. RunboardPRO. Plan, dispatch, track, deliver. Start your free 14-day trial now. RunboardPRO.com